This is Nikki, and today, get away. Okay, one, 2,
3. We will
see.
We
We will.
We will see.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Eat, Love, and Explore. This is Nikki, and today I'll be showing you guys 2 sponsored items that we got from Tesloid. So Tesloid, thank you for sending us these items. So the first one that I'll be showing you guys, we got the multifunctional vehicle mounted car air mattress. And this one specifically is for fits the Tesla Model Y. I will be opening the Air Mattress, and again, this mattress will fit in our Tesla Model Y. So this will be my first time opening this, guys. And let's see what's inside the box. It comes with a 12-volt air pump. So this. And oh, the mattress. This is actually a little bit heavy. It says that it's about 7 pounds. I don't know if this is 7 pounds, but it's pretty heavy. And it has a little glue here, I guess something. So let's open it. And again, this is how let's open this mattress here. And this one actually says that it can fit 2 people comfortably. So we're actually very excited to use this. And I guess this one is for the front. So this is how it looks here, and it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 2 more valves right at the front. So let's go ahead and inflate it. So insert this little and that's here. So there are 3 attachments here, and I think this is the one that I'll be using here. And this one also, the valve has this little thing here, and just attach it. And let's do it. Let's inflate it. Oh, this is for the side mirror. Only for this side right here. And let's do this. Alright guys, so here it is. It feels very soft. It feels very good. So what we'll do is we're gonna put some bed sheets, pillows, and we'll see how it feels, okay?
Alright.
So
this is nice.
Yeah,
Alright, let's go try it.
Excited.
The other side.
Oh, shoot.
I can't wait to go camping.
Oh, wow, this is actually nice with the blanket and pillows.
Oh man,
Oh.
yes.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, good night, guys.
Good night. This is cool.
like
Thank you,
this.
Tesloid.
Thank you, Tesloid.
This is an awesome airbed. Yup.
Thank
Oh, and a big
you.
shout out to Vegas Trail Expedition. They're out there camping right now, somewhere in Cali. We wish we were there, camping with you guys. We miss you. And hello, family.
Hi guys, we'll join you guys on your next camping trip. See, we're ready. We got
are ready.
we got our bed. So check them out, guys. Tesloid. We will link the item on the description down below, along with our discount code. So again, thank you, Tesloid, for sending us this item. We can't wait to use it for our camping trip.
We will see you in the next video.